Friends, typically there might be three types of cash book formats. They are single column, maybe double column or triple column cash books. Let's know something about these three types. A single column cash book contains only cash transactions done by the business. This type of cash book has only single money column on the debit as well as credit, both the sides. It does not record the bank transactions as well as the discount transactions. The transactions which are done on credit are not recorded while preparing the single column cash book. A typical single column cash book will have the column headings such as date, particulars or description, then reference or ledger folio number and amount. These headers are present on both the sides, that is left hand side, that is debit side, or on the right hand side, that is credit side, both the sides. The date column is the date of that particular transaction. Because the cash book is updated continuously and it will be in the chronological order. The chronological order is maintained transaction wise. The second, that is description or particulars column, in which the accountant may write the short description or narration of the transaction. The next column is the reference or ledger folio number. The accountant inputs the account number of that particular related general ledger account in this particular column. And the amount of the transaction is recorded in the last or the final column of that particular cash book. Now, the double column cash book. The double column cash book contains two money columns, both on the debit side as well as credit side. One column is the transaction with respect to cash and the other with respect to bank account of the business. So, under the double column cash book, not only cash transactions but also the transactions with respect to the bank are also recorded. The transactions which are done on credit are not recorded in the double column cash book as well. Now let's speak something about the triple columnar cash book. It is also referred as three columnar cash book format. It is the most exhaustive form, friends. It has three columns of money on both the sides, that is receipts or left hand side or debit side, and payments or right hand side or credit side. These three columns are cash, bank and discount. This book is generally maintained by the large firms that do the transaction in cash mode as well as the bank transactions also are done frequently. They allow or receive the cash discounts as well. Thus, in this presentation, we tried to know what are the different types of cash book. Friends, the type of cash book which has to be chosen for one's organization depends on the volume of transactions with respect to cash or bank or even the discount allowed and received. So, the choice has to be made accordingly. Thank you.